subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new A-series phone in China called Oppo A2 Pro, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A2 Pro features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo A2 Pro sports a dual-camera setup under the circular ring at the top center, that includes a 64-megapixel main camera, with f1.7 aperture, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front it has an 8-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 13 based on ColorOS 13.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67 watts super flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.7 by 74.3 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A2 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 2,399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Vast Black, Desert Brown, and Twilight color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from September 22nd. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A2 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.